because I'm a truck driver, so I saw a bike, electric bike that folds in half, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. So far I put, I think like 25 miles on it, and it's pretty good so far. There's a key right here. Turn that key on, and hit the on button. So I've done 25 miles on it. Got a little phone holder. It's pretty good, actually. The seat is fairly comfortable. You got a bike rack. And I'm gonna take you on a test ride here in a minute to show you how fast it'll go. But I'm gonna show you how this thing folds in half. So we take a button here, pop this open, and it will literally fold right in half. Pretty good. The only thing, this bike is super heavy. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But it should go on my truck, so we'll see how that does. I'll do a video of how it looks on the semi. Alright, let's take her on the test drive. Turn our key. Hit the on button. So there's the levels here that you go up to 1 assist. And even on 1, it's really, really good. So I'll start it off. You can see it just kicks right in. I'm not even barely moving. 15 miles an hour already. Which I noticed that mile per hour is a little off, but you know, maybe like 2 miles an hour. All right, I got to get on the road to actually open her up. So we're gonna hit our button here. We're gonna go up to 3. See, and I'm not even hardly pedaling that hard. It's an easy pedal. That's the place for the phone to go sit. And I've been riding it honestly at 3. And if I go up to 5, I feel like it only gives me like 2 or 3 miles an hour extra. And it drains the battery way quicker. So I stay around 3, and then when I'm going on downhills to save battery, I'll, you know, drop it off. There's also a throttle right there that you can twist that will, I gotta turn around. That'll open it up, and then you don't even have to pedal. Here we go again. Barely even pedaling. Get it to 5 just to open it up, just to show you. Alright, I'm at 5 and I'm pedaling, you know, like I'm trying to get going. I mean, you can get down the road on this thing. You gotta ease on the brakes. Yeah, I highly recommend this thing, which I've only put 26 miles on it now, but I mean, I enjoy it. I wouldn't take it off-road that much, like a mountain bike, but on the road, it does awesome. So, that's the review.